action based on this message. Repeating, tornado watch number 9999 has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward. This is a test message. At 10:15 a.m., this is a test message. No severe weather is occurring at this time. This test tornado warning initiates the Severe Weather Awareness Week tornado drill. Repeat, drill. This annual drill is the highlight of the Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is only a test. Expected hazards include test tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation test. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This is a test message.
You can hear the tornado sirens going off now, just at 10:15. Off in that direction, down there as well.